Here's a quick unboxing of the Insta360 2C AI powered webcam. As you can see, it's just there. Now, we've already started using this, so it's going to be a quick unboxing. You can see their 4K resolution, half sensor and true focus, and a bit more about it on the back there, what it comes with. So let's go and have a look at it just now. So if we open it up. Now I've already opened this up. Now I have to be honest, I actually lost the magnetic mount, so I've misplaced it, haven't lost it. So that's just here. So, but essentially there's a magnetic mount that sits under this, which you use on your computer. That's the main camera. It gives 4K HDR visuals, perfect noise cancelling audio, and fast autofocus. Now, to turn on there, just flick that open, and there it comes on just like that. So it's great, and that's how easy to set up. You plug it in through the USB-C cable there, plug it into the computer. This also came with a cable as well. That's where the magnetic aperture sits. There's the instruction guide, there's a lot of instructions, but that's it, pretty, and a USB A-C adapter. But that's it. That's the great thing about it. It's just plug and play. You literally get it, plug it in, and it starts working. So the 1.5 inch sensor gives HDR balanced 4K. True focus as well works. It's got natural bokeh as well, auto framing. It looks very, very nice. So essentially the magnet bit sits on there, and then you clip it onto your computer. And as you can see, there it is just there. But look how small that, I mean, that's the size of my hand. This is tiny light, so you can carry it around with you, and it's really nice. So there it is there. You can plug it in, download the software, and start using. This is for PC, Mac as well, and this is standalone, and it's very, very nice.